Our Prius is sitting here in the shop and it's difficult to move because there's no driver's seat. But I've got a tool that I've actually had for a bit. It's these wheel dollies from Toyota Valet. It seems to move easy when the wheels are all in one direction once I got the brakes undone. But getting it to go to a different direction takes a bit of effort. They're definitely handy. I can move the car around, and particularly in a situation like going sideways with it, if I had a place to, if I had a boat or some other kind of trailer or a car, say I had one of those cars that you don't drive all the time, one of your prides and joys that you have a spot to get it in the garage and then push it sideways, tuck it into a spot that you couldn't drive it into very well. But moving it around, I struggled with, it's got 6 wheels on each. And that is probably because of the load. It's rated for really heavy load. And they have a direction they go. So like right now they're all tailing this way because I'm pushing it that way. And then when I want to go this way with it, they have to spin 180, and you're talking about 6 wheels on each of the 4. So you're talking about 24 wheels that have to come around. So seemed to take a bit of effort to change directions. I definitely had a much easier time going side to side. Like right now with them pointing this way, if I want to go that way, then they still take effort, but then they go. Once you get them rolling, then it's pretty easy to go that or come back. Tends to spin okay. And I may not have these, I'm no expert at this. First time I'm actually using them. I really wish I could figure out a way to use them on the Smart Wood Shop. In this situation here, it'd be perfect. And it's the reason that I actually got them, because it's really difficult for me to bring the trailer in here, even with the tug, because I have stuff down on that end that's too low. And then I've got to be in front of this, and I've got to bring it in at an angle, and then I got to turn it. And I've done it, so I can do it, but it takes a lot of working. It'd be ideal if I could use the tug and drive the Smart Wood Shop right up here, square, perfectly straight, and then just push it sideways into this bay right here. This is really the ideal spot for the Smart Wood Shop to be, for the layout of the shop and the height over there. I don't need it above the trailer, and I could use it for other things. But I don't know of any way to move 7,000 pounds, even with 2 of us, completely sideways with these, unless I had some kind of motor maybe to pull it that way. And I don't know of a way to hook the tug up to get it to go that way. So that's something I'll think about. If you've got any ideas on how I might make them work on that. This is the Smart Wood Shop. The Smart Wood Shop is a highly efficient, organized, designed over decades, rolling toolbox that I can take to the job and have a no-compromise wood shop when I get there. If you'd like to get detailed plans to build a smart wood shop for yourself, or the Smart Bench,
which is, as you notice, mobile. It can be pushed around on the job site or in the wood shop like this. But once I get it to where I want it and I need it stable, it's just a lift, let go, and now it doesn't move. Same thing for the Smart Station. This is the tool bench that has router tables, table saw, sander, other bench tools that'll fit in because it's modular, as well as the miter saw. And just like the Smart Bench, the Smart Station is mobile when I need it to be, and a lift, drop, and it's locked in solid. But what's really cool is all of this collapses down into a cube on wheels. Wheels right over there, and rolls right into the aisle of the Smart Wood Shop. So when I get to the job, I have a complete, no compromise wood shop with me to do the job. If you'd like to get yourself a detailed set of plans to build yourself one of these benches, any of the accessories that go with the system, or the Smart Wood Shop itself, there is a link in the description of this video down below, as well as a QR code. You can go there, purchase plans or package of plans, and download them right now. Instantaneous, 365, 24/7.
All right, I think I have made it a little better. I figured out an issue here. The trailer valet dollies are rated to carry a really heavy load. I don't remember what it is, but if I can figure it out, I'll put it right here. They have 6 wheels on them. That obviously helps with carrying the load. The problem I was having, I think, was getting them to all turn and follow was the hard part. 2 wheels in the middle, the 2 that were right under the weight of the car, I removed all of those. So I removed 6 wheels, 2 on each. And now I can move it by myself and get it where I want. Still takes a bit of motivation to get the wheels to spin and go in the right direction. But once they're going in that direction, it's pretty easy to keep at least this car moving. When I get time, I'll try it again on the Smart Wood Shop. Now that's a lot heavier, so it may require these extra wheels just to carry the load. But we'll see, I'll test it out. I'm still not sure that by myself I can get 7,000 pounds moving in any direction. So they're working excellent on this. And I know on like a boat or a trailer RV, those are lighter. It would work great on those. I do want to try them out on my F-150 and see if I can move that around. And this may come down to it really takes a couple of people because you're still the physics of moving a lot of weight. When I was shopping around for dollies, I found some smaller ones that fit right under the wheel that looked real neat, but you needed a floor jack to jack it up to get them underneath. So I really like that these will jack up the car, and even the trailer, much heavier, no problem jacking it up and getting it just automatically under the wheel. And also when I'm not using them, I like this cart because they all stack nice on there and then I can push it right out of my way. So all in all, I really like them. I think a lot of this is just me figuring out what works. And I'll probably talk to Trailer Valet about the extra wheels on each and see if they have any feedback on how I might get the thing to move a little easier when all 6 wheels are on it. See you on the next one. Mahalo.